we bee rising every day. What's going on, beautiful bees? We're out in the beautiful outdoors. Nothing but the bees, trees, birds, fresh air. And today I want to talk about how to protect yourself in a chemical world. Super important, especially now, more than anything with the viruses. So the first thing is air quality. Always making sure you have fresh air. You're surrounded by fresh air, trees. Getting fresh oxygen in the body is so important to your health. Making sure that you're going through walks in nature. And it's also a good stress reliever. Releases endorphins to exercise. And when we look at enclosed environments, we can get surrounded by a number of fragrances, which are neurotoxins, especially perfumes. There's a lot of chemicals in these air fresheners or perfumes. So you always want to make sure that you have fresh oxygen in your body. Super important to get oxygen to your cells. The next thing is clean water. You know, a lot of our water is polluted nowadays, contaminated, and contains a lot of fluoride. So if you can get a filtration system, some sort of filtration system, I have a reverse osmosis system in my house. You know, if you got spring water, that's really, really good. Really, really good for you. And making sure that, you know, you're drinking clean water, super important for your body. Fluoride, too much fluoride is toxic. So we want to make sure that we are drinking clean water. There's chemicals everywhere on this planet. It's a chemical world that we're living in. So we want to make sure that we are getting out in nature. We're surrounding ourselves with health. We're putting healthy foods in our body, whole foods. And if you can do some raw living foods as well, whether that's a big salad or eating raw berries, really good flavonoids and antioxidants. So eating whole foods from nature. That's super important to keeping your body and immune system functioning well. And also it's important of what you're putting on your skin, because there's so many chemicals, lotions, sprays, and even suntan lotion. Some of the suntan lotions are high chemicals. So we have to be conscious and aware of what we're putting on our skin. And always reading the ingredients, of course. Making your own lotions. I have my own aloe vera ones, super hydrating. And we want natural vitamin E. So I like to use coconut oil, 100% coconut oil. And always read the ingredients of what you're putting on your skin, because your skin is your largest eliminative organ. So whatever chemicals you put on it is going to get absorbed in your body. So it's really important to take care of yourself, to look at what you're putting in and on your body and what you're surrounding yourself, the chemicals that you're surrounding yourself with. It's not a perfect world, but we can just do the best we can. When we do that, we'll all be rising.